Yeah, welcome to another video tutorial. Here, I'm going to be showing you how you can register, how you can confirm if your name has been registered on CAC website. So all you have to do is to go straight down to your browser. It can be your Chrome, your Firefox, your any browser that you use. So step in. So just type in CAC like this. So it's going to this CAC website. So let me go for the first time. Let me just search for CAC. Just CAC. So now, yeah, you search for your name. Like, let's say Mike Accolade, for example. Mike. Then you search it. You can see it pop up my name. This name has registered since 2023 and this 2025. So that's confirmation that this name has registered. So, and if you want to know the category that the register as, if at all, let's say you don't know anything about BN, so you come to this place under business, see it right. So now let's go to company. Can see not in here. Incorporated trust, nothing is here. Limited liability partnership, nothing is here. Liability partnership, nothing is here. So all you have to do is go to like business name like this. You'll be able to see the date that it has registered. Then if it's still active, like it's still active right now, see, it's active like Elon Musk. So that's how to confirm if your name has registered. Then this PN means business name. This PN like here. So if you see RC, it's a different ballgame. RC means registered company. So let's say, for example, Accolade Media now. Accolade Media is registered as a company. Accolade Media Global, because might have more than Accolade Media. As it's not under business name, right? Let's go to incorporated trust. It's not there. Limited partnership, no. Limited liability partnership, no. But let's go to company. It's registered as a company. Look at it. So Accolade Media Global is registered as a company since April 23, 2025. That means just got registered this year as a company. Yes, then it's still active. Look at it. So don't else make the mistake of saying my name is not registered. Where is it? How can I confirm? Look, this person has not scammed me, blah blah blah. You get that kind of stuff. So this is it. This is everything. Everything. You get. Follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.